In this video, you will learn that how to make password-based door lock system. So let's make the circuit. Pick the components from here and pick the Arduino Uno. Double click on it. Now pick the LCD. I'm choosing the 20 x 4 LCD. So click on it and then double click on it. Now choose the keypad. Double click on it and now choose the relay module. Double click on relay and now choose the LEDs. Pick the green, red and yellow. Also pick the battery as well. Double click on it. Now place the Arduino here and then LCD, and now make the connection as I'm doing. Now pick the keypad, place it here, and now make the connection as I'm doing. Now the pins are now connected with the Arduino, and if you don't know that how to connect pins wirelessly, so you can watch my video, link is available in the description, and there you can learn that how to connect pins wirelessly in Proteus. Now pick the relay, place it here. Now pick the battery, connect it here, place the yellow LED here, and make the connection as I'm doing. Now pick the LEDs green and red and make the connection as I'm doing. Now connect the relay pin with the A naught. The green LED connect with A1 and the red LED should be connected with A2. Now connection is almost ready. and let me place the component at the right place. Now you can see that the relay is connected with a NOT, green LED is connected with A1, and red LED is connected with A2. Similarly, the LCD is also interfaced with Arduino, and the keypad is also interfaced with the Arduino. Make the voltage of relay 5 instead of 12. Now let's see the code. So here you can see that comments are almost available with every line, and you can read it. If you don't know how to interface the keypad with Arduino, and if you are doing this at the first time, you can watch my video. Link is available in the description, and there you can learn with detail that how to connect the keypad with Arduino. So you must have the keypad library. You can edit, and how you can edit, just click on sketch and then go to the libraries. Sorry, just click on sketch, then include library, and then add zip file, add zip library. You can download the library from the link available in the description, and this is the WinRAR file. It's a keypad library. So now go to that place where it is available in your drive. So in my case, it's here. I will just click on open. As I already have added it, so it's saying that the keypad library is already exists. So in your case, it will be added. Now run the program, and here you can see at the first time the code is and the password is 0123. You can change it according to your own requirements. Now just run it, and now copy the hex file from here. Select it. Now press Ctrl C and paste it in the Arduino. Paste it here and then OK. Now run the simulation. And here you can see on the LCD the bright light my channel name. Also you can see the password door lock, and this is the project name. Here you can say that instruction is given that press C to unlock and X or cross to lock. So here you can see the C, here you can see the cross, here you can see the equal, and all the uh, signs and digits are here you can see on this keypad. So let me unlock the door, and here I have interface the LED instead of the electronic lock. So let's check it, then I'm explaining about this. Click on C, and so what's the issue, let me check it. This should be 2 number pin. So this was the error. Now run it, and now let me now run the C, and here you can see that now it's saying that enter code and then press equal sign. So let me enter any code. So I'm entering the wrong code, so let me enter the wrong code, and now press the equal. Here you can see that the wrong, it's saying that wrong code, and press C and try again. So let me press C and try again. So now I'm entering the correct password, which is 1234. You can see here. Now press on C. Sorry, I have pressed the wrong button. So now press on this and then click on 1234. As this is the correct password, so now if I click on enter or equal, so let me press this button, and here you can see successful unlocked. Here as well you can see the lock is now open. This means that the LED is now on, which means that the lock is open now. Also for a few seconds the green LED is also blinked. So let me check it again. So here you can see that door is unlocked, and press X to lock the door, cross to lock the door. So now it's unlocked, and if I press this button, so it will lock the door. So let me press this, and here you can see that lock, press C to unlock the door. Now Check it again, the wrong password, and see the LED, red LED. Click on this and then enter the wrong password. And now check here. Here you can see the LED, red LED is on for a few seconds. Now if I enter again the correct password, so let's see here and there. I'm entering the correct password. Now check this and this LED. Now I'm entering this. Here you can see the green LED is turned on. Also the lock is also turned on. You can replace this LED with the electronic lock like this. This is the electronic lock, and you have to replace, if you are practically making this, so you can replace this LED with this lock, so it will work practically. Then as Proteus don't have this kind of lock in its library, now I have used this LED as an electronic lock. Now now it will remain on unless you press the this sign, this button. So let me log this. Here you can see it's logged now. Here as well you can see. Now let me check it again. Press the enter the password correct and check it. Here you can see the here as well you can see that successful and door is unlocked. So in this way you can make the password based door lock system. The circuit diagram and the code link is available in the description. Also the library can also be downloaded from the description. If you like the project, please subscribe my channel. Also like and share the video. Thanks for watching. Also visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino.